4 cryptos to buy before 2023. So today we're going through some of the best cryptos to buy in December. Now, I'm covering a few that I haven't covered in a long time, and they actually have some pretty good news coming out recently. So let's get straight in after this disclaimer. I'm not a financial advisor, this is for education purposes only. Let's get straight in. First one I want to talk about, guys, is Fantom. Okay, now Fantom's incredible. It's a DeFi project. It's been growing rapidly due to Fantom's speed and low fees. Okay, people are attracted to Fantom because of the low fees compared to things like Ethereum. That's not saying they're not a good coin. It's saying there's a reason that Fantom are doing this on a different level. Okay, to give you an idea of how fast the DeFi is, the ecosystem is growing on Fantom. You can actually look at its total value. I'm going to show you that right now. But for the main page, Fantom.Foundation is where you want to go. The links are down below. So the total locked value, you can check it over at defilama.com, and it's 465.49 million. Okay, that's a huge amount. It's one of the leading cryptos in the space. Okay, the dominance of the finance, 20.54%, and you can see on this chart here how we're doing with the locked. Okay, very, very interesting what's going on with Fantom, and it's actually grown from 373,000 in April 21 to over 7 billion in January 2022. That was a huge growth, as you can see, going all the way up. Okay, I'm very excited because Ethereum-based automated market maker AMM and DX SushiSwap was also launched on the Fantom blockchain, which is incredible, so traders can actually take advantage of the low fees and settlements. To read more about that, jump over to Fantom Foundation again and go to the blog How to Use SushiSwap, all right, and you'll see exactly here it talking about the launch on there. Now, there's a reason these exchanges are launching on the Fantom blockchain, because it's getting so much traction. So I think right now is a good time to be buying yourself into Fantom. All right, let's have a look at the actual price. Over at CoinMarketCap at $0.24, I think it's a great time to start jumping on this push and the trend going up. Let's move on to the second coin of today. Turning over now to Ethereum as the second. All right, we know Ethereum is huge and very, very well respected in the space. Okay, with price at right now is $1,321. So it's going pretty well, all right? We have obviously had the drop from the all-time high, just like we have with all different cryptos. But you can see the push starting to come a little bit along now. All right, if you go over to some of the blogs, it'll show you why you should invest into Ethereum, just like I'm saying. All right, go over to fool.com and have a look at this blog right now. There's thousands of cryptocurrencies out there, but few can actually match the ecosystem with the NFT projects and things we've got here. Approaching the 190 billion. Ethereum trains only Bitcoin. All right, only Bitcoin is out training Ethereum right now, and in terms of market value, it's by far the largest smart contract platform in the world. So that's why it's number 2. I will be getting in the price today and dollar cost averaging my way up, trying to get that moment when we start the bull run. Number 3, we're staying on the ecosystem, having the NFTs involved in Solana, all right? Probably the biggest rival of Ethereum with the NFT marketplaces. Now, Solana is incredible. It's one of the fastest growing cryptocurrencies 2021. And as well as breakout star in the crypto sector, its biggest competitor, like I said, is Ethereum, all right? With some enthusiasts believing it could eventually overtake Ethereum, I personally think it's got a long way to go, but I do see it happening in the very far future. Okay, I'm not going to say it's going to happen right now, but getting your money into this project right now would be a very sensible idea. 11.5 million active accounts, 21.9 million NFTs minted, and the cost per transaction is literally nearly 0. As you can see here, I don't even know what that number is. It's so low. All right, so it's very, very good. The non-fungible token ecosystem is fantastic. And again, looking at the fool.com blog, it'll tell you exactly why they think Solana is the best time to get in. Okay, looking at the price of Solana gives you a good indication at $13.94 where we're at. Okay, from the all-time high, again, like other cryptos gone down, but we have started to mellow out at a bottom right now. So I think it's a very good time. This is what I would say is the bottom of Solana to start getting yourself back pushing up. Guys, $13.96, hold me to it. Let me know in the comments if you're getting in right now. If you already hold Solana, it's a very good idea to keep holding it, in my opinion. Last but in no means least, it's Polygon. Polygon is one of the most interesting projects because Matic is the coin. And it's actually been in the news a lot lately, and for all the right reasons, right? Most recently, Polygon became one of the just 6 projects, highly accelerated program for 2022, suggesting that Disney is actively looking for ways to interact with the Polygon in the upcoming entertainment projects. Disney locks in with someone, you know it's big, okay? So there's big things to come. Over 145,000 contact creators, 140 million average daily saved, and you can keep going and going through the trades. Now, fool.com is a very great website. The link's down below, and it tells you all about Polygon as well. Just become an even better buy during the premier layer 2 blockchain built on the Ethereum, right? No wonder investors are flocking ahead with Disney's news. Just like I pointed out, it's written here as well. Okay, right now they're just exciting. The Polygon price is at $0.9 All right, very, very good price. Look at the all-time high, just to let you know, like every other crypto, it has pointed down. But of most cryptos, you see this push up, and we've actually started to rise up, hitting some of the higher highs, going on our way up now on the bull run. I do believe that this is the bull run, and we didn't get as low as the bottom as most cryptos did. So I think we're on the way up. I think it's a very good price to get into, but again, I'm not a financial advisor, neither is anyone on this channel. Okay, so if you want to get involved in them, let me know in the comments if you need any more help. But please watch this video, hit the links down below, and get involved now. Guys, that's it from me. I hope you enjoyed the video. Hit that like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell if you want to be notified. Please only invest when you're comfortable and only choose trusted links. I've enjoyed it. Have a good day. I'll see you next time.